Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at DailyBeats. In today's video, I'm going to do something different. I bought this little music box in Vienna, I think 2 weeks ago. This music box is quite nice, as you can hear. So what I did was basically I record this in my microphone, and what I'm going to do is to just make a music out of it. So I will take the samples from the song or from this music box, and I will sample them in FL Studio. And yeah, so right now I will switch to the video where I record this so that you can check it out how I did it. And yeah, let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Okay, so this is what I have. This is the sample itself. I think I will use the second part here. So the timing is not perfect, but it is what it is, because it's not easy to maintain the same consistency. So I will just grab this like that. Let me see if I'm not taking more than I should. That should be okay. And let's grab here a drum, and let's go with slice X. Where is it? Slice X. Okay, now let's grab this selection into slice X. And now the first thing that I'm going to do is delete the MIDI, and let's go ahead and check the slices. I think they are pretty much okay. Yeah, this should be okay. Some I could cut, but I think they are fine for this example, or for my idea. So now what I want to do is pretty much start changing the pitch. Okay, so this I feel it's too low in terms of volume. So let's go here and let's increase the volume. Now let's try to grab a nice sample. So this one has that sound of the metal. Maybe we can put it a little bit less in terms of pitch. Let's go with 700. I like that, so let's go. So it should be something like that, and here. So now we just have to check the timing of this. So let's copy this. So this is too fast, obviously. Maybe less. I think it will be a little bit slower than what I want. Okay, maybe we can even go a little bit slower. And what we can do then is resample this and speed it up. Maybe 70 would be nice. Or what we can do also is put faster and increase the pitch. Okay, maybe 500. Okay, sounds nice. Let's copy this. Okay, so maybe I can put this at the end and just have this in a loop. Very simple loop. Okay, so maybe these have to be shorter. Let's listen to this part. This one, but it's too much, too big. So what I'm going to do is add an envelope to it. So let's add this envelope here. Now we have it more streamlined hi-hat. So what I'm going to do basically is put this as village 2 steps, and then I will check where is the hi-hat is, and move it here. And now I can play. Let's see if we have something here. We alternate. It's too big. Not too dense. Let's try different articulations. Let me try the muted one. Yeah, I like this one. And yeah. So piano. And let's add this to the track. And as you can see, if I take out this Kramer, we lose, or we gain a little bit of the pace. And this is the point that I want to have with this. So give it a little bit more old school vibe. Nowadays I'm listening to a lot of U-Tang, so it's giving me that vibe and this beat. I could imagine some of them playing, or at least it's an inspiration for something like that. So let's go here, sample. Okay, so now let's composition here. At this bass, I want to apply even lower, so I want to apply a low pass. So I want to take out every high frequency possible. And the Fidelity Q, I designed this plugin so that it's not very harsh. The low pass is very soft, so you can put it really low and still listening to the bass, which makes it, I feel more melodic. Let's try something else here in the sample. Let's go here to the transient shaper, and let's reduce even more or reduce the sustain also. Okay, I feel it's better like this. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a little bit stressful losing FL Studio and then not recording the audio itself. But yeah, sorry about that. And again, this was using this little music box, and as you can see, you can create music with whatever you have with you, and yeah, the sky is the limit. You can sample yourself, you can sample instruments like this, you can sample percussion elements, you can sample yourself hitting on the wall, clapping, whatever you want. The creation is the limit, or imagination is the limit, and with this you can expand your sounds and have different things that you can do with your music. And even if you don't have like money to buy sample packs or everything like that, if you have a couple of if you have a microphone, if you have a USB interface, or even if you don't have that, if you have like a pocket recorder, you can do a lot with that. And yeah, I strongly recommend you to start sampling stuff and recording the environment around you to make music. And yeah, that's my tip for today. So my name is Tiago Duarte. If you are new here to this channel, subscribe and activate notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have questions, just leave a comment below. Also consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to exclusive tutorials about music production and the full videos that I put here on YouTube. So I put on YouTube publicly or for free the short video to make the video shorter. And if you want to see the full video, you can hop into the premium and exclusive section. And this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.